Hello, this is Doug Aiken of WIELAND Electric, and I will present to you the finest solar DC connector, the WIELAND PST. The PST connector is a latching PV connector that mates to the popular style on most modules. The contact is precision machined so as to ensure maximum performance and can handle as much as 40 amps. The funnel entry of the contact ensures that the strands of the cable get into the contact and can handle cable up to 10 millimeters squared, which is about 8 AWG. The termination process is very straightforward. After placing the contact into the hand tool, there is no upside down or sideways because it is a machine contact. You simply place the cable in and terminate the cable, thus resulting in a quality crimp. The contact cleanly snaps into the housing, and extraction is world class. This allows verification of quality and simple error correction. Contacts may be purchased separately so as to facilitate having spares. The NEC 2008 compliance solution is a simple device, a clip, that simply goes in and disables the latches, and the hand tool is an ordinary screwdriver. Lastly, the flat spots on the nut allow ordinary tools to be used to ensure that the connector is sealed. And that is the WIELAND PST connector, the foundation of a safe, reliable, high-performance photovoltaic system.